I'm here to talk about pistols and why I think it's wrong for kids to have them. You might be asking me, what is a pistol? That's one of the main reasons why I think kids should never ever have a pistol in their hands. Now, a lot of kids can't tell the difference between toys and real objects. And because of that, there have been many murdering accidents in the United States. Please keep in mind that I'm not talking about all kids when I say that. I am only talking about kids who can't tell the difference between a toy and a real object. Under no circumstances should kids ever think a real pistol is a toy. A pistol is not a toy. It's a very dangerous weapon. And if you use a pistol as a toy, that's a bad idea. Because you might accidentally shoot someone. This is one of the main reasons why I think kids should never have pistols. Now, I want to talk about movies. I believe that in PG-rated movies, gun violence should be very limited. And there should never ever be a PG-rated movie that encourages gun violence. I think a lot of gun violence belongs in R-rated movies, not PG-rated movies. And if I saw a PG-rated movie that encourages gun violence, I would be very pissed. Now, I'm not just going to talk about kids in these videos. I also am going to talk about people who simply don't know how to use their pistols. I believe that people who don't know how to use a pistol don't deserve a pistol to begin with. Because pistols are very dangerous. Sorry that I'm scaring you or anything like that, but that's the truth. I think the only people who should have their own pistols are people who actually know how to use them. Like cops, for example. I believe it's absolutely necessary for a cop to have a pistol, because the cop might have to face a criminal who has more powerful weapons. People who don't know how to use a pistol shouldn't have a pistol to begin with. So if you are one of those people who don't know how to use a pistol, do yourself a favor and just get rid of it. If you are in danger, just call the cops. That's what they're for.